In this video, I will show you how to download Pinterest video. First of all, open the Pinterest application. Look for the video that you want to download. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. You will see three dots just beneath the video. Tap on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Tap on the copy link option. The video's link will be copied. Now close the Pinterest application and open Google. Here, search for Pinterest video downloader. A list of suggestions will appear. Tap on a trusted link. Its interface will appear. Tap on the field, paste your links here and paste the earlier copied link here. Once the link has been pasted, tap on the download option below the link field. It will be processed. Till that time, do not close this page. Then after that, you will see the relevant video here. Two different options to download the video will be available just beneath the video. Tap on any of it. Then you need to watch an ad because we are using it for free. Once the ad finishes, tap again on the download button. The video will open. You will see three dots at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Then tap on the download option. The video will start downloading. Once the downloading completes, tap on the open option available in front of the file downloaded option. The downloaded video will open. You can also access it from the downloads folder on your device. And this is how you can download Pinterest video.